Hi friends, so tomorrow analysis I will be going to explain in today's video. So tomorrow Nifty expiry, day after tomorrow market is going to close uh, holiday, so tomorrow will be the weekly expiry of Nifty. So in this video I will be going to explain in Nifty levels, along with that other three index also I will be going to explain. So first I will be moving on to Nifty level. So 22,697 to 22,857, this is the gap formed, previously gap formed. So if market is opening flat or a slight gap up, unless it reaches 22,900 level with 1 hour candle, then only I will be in buying side, or else I will wait for the opportunity at that level and I will see the selling opportunity. If I see any false buying signal here, so immediately I am ready to go with selling opportunities. If it is opening flat or a slight gap down, so I am not interested in selling opportunities. I will wait at the support level. Support in the sense the gap formed today and yesterday's, there is a small gap, that is 22,270 to 22,256. So there is a huge range. So tomorrow we have to wait at support or resistance to take the decision. So unless the resistance, at the resistance, if I feel if there is a false signal in buying side, then only immediately I will be in the selling opportunities. In case of support level, if there is a false signal in selling side, I will wait for the opportunity. Immediately I am not interested in buying opportunity. As I mentioned yesterday, 22,800 is the major important level. If it is closing above that level, then I have to, whatever the gap has formed yesterday, that was trapping form, that was the trapping for options sellers. So it has not crossed 22,800 level. So now we have to think market is in downtrend still now. Whatever the rally has happened, it is the trap for the buyers. So this is the confirmation. Tomorrow at 22,900 level, if I see the false signal in buying side, immediately my thinking will be I want to take a trade in selling opportunities. Rest in all the cases I will wait for the opportunity in the Nifty. So next I will be moving on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty 50,800 to 50,650, within this range the support will be 50,371 to 50,232. Within this range, no trading zone. If market is opening above this range, I will wait. If the first 15 minutes candle is the red candle, in the sense I will wait for the retracement. If immediate retracement arrives, means immediately I am interested in selling opportunity. Again I am saying, if first 15 minutes candle is opening gap up with a red candle, I am interested in selling opportunity. Or else if first 15 minutes is blue candle, I will wait for the opportunity tomorrow in the Bank Nifty. So next I will be moving on to Fin Nifty. So whatever the rally has happened yesterday and today, there is a two gaps. If market is lying between these two gaps, so I will wait at this gap and I will take the selling trade. I will wait for the opportunities. Immediately I am not interested in selling or buying. If market is opening below this gap, I will search for selling opportunities. If it is opening above this gap, in the sense I will wait for the opportunities. My overall view is selling side my first priority. Even if I see buying opportunities, I will wait for the opportunity to form the selling pattern, then I am interested in selling opportunities. If market is laying between this range, I will wait for the selling opportunity at the top, at the bottom. Even if I see buying opportunities, I will take double confirmation to trade in buying opportunities at the support. So next I will be moving on to Sensex levels. So there is a small gap, as you can see in Nifty also there is a small gap, in Sensex also there is a small gap. Unless market closes above 75,400 level, at least 1 hour candle, I am not interested in buying opportunities. Why I am saying in the sense, so we got the confirmation in Nifty, it has not closed above 22,800 level. So even if I see buying opportunities, I am not able to trade in buying opportunities as the confirmation I got. So if market is opening flat or a gap up, if it is testing this gap, so I will wait for the selling opportunities. Again I am saying, in all these 4 indexes, my first priority is selling side. If market is opening gap up, I will get more scope compared to flat or a gap down. If market is opening flat or a gap down, I will wait for the opportunities. These are the scenarios that can come tomorrow. So this is my plan according to tomorrow trade. So if you like my analysis, please like the video. Thank you, friends.